All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Liong Mah Endeavour right over here with me for a maintenance video, and I'm just gonna start and doing this fella. So I'm just gonna start by just releasing a little bit the tension on the blade. Grab the T8 Torx bit and notice that this thing is spinning. So what you're gonna do is just grab another T8, which we're gonna grab from this selector right over here. I guess that's the T8. Where is this guy right over here? This is 9. There you go. We got the 8. Boom. So 2 screwdrivers needed right over here like that. There you go. Pivot is off. So when you do this operation here, as you can see, the blade is off center, right? So you need to squeeze the scales in place, like at the pivot level, to break the detent and pull the blade out if you didn't do previously. So it's always best to keep the blade open. There you go. When you disassemble. So that's a big screw right over there. Here you go. This is a smaller screw, which is out. And here we are. So here we have our knife taken apart. I'm seeing already some nasty grease right over here, which we are gonna eliminate immediately with the, there you go, with some rubbing alcohol swabs, cleaning the detent, the bearing track, both sides. And here, wow, look at this. It's pretty, wow, thick grease for sure. This is cleaned. This also is clean. We're gonna need another one because this is nasty. Here you go. So let's clean also this side. When you see, like in this case, the knife has a washer, like stainless steel washer, you just grab a magnet, right, in a plastic bag. Here you go. And then you just attract the washer outside. Here you go. And then we're gonna take care of this side as well. Wow, this thing is thick. Look at that. Wow. All right, so this also done. Let's clean all this area here, and you see, like that, no damage. It comes out very easily. I do that whenever I see a hardened steel washer. Here you go. So this is done, and this is done as well. So we are all cleaned up, guys. Sorry. Here we go, and let's put this thing back together. We're gonna start from the handle, like so, right over here. Bearings are gonna go in like that. A little bit of 10 weight nano oil. Definitely we are going to be lighter. Sorry. And then the blade goes in, and then you get another bearing in with another like 3 drops of nano oil, like so. And then you know what, why don't I add also something like this before? How about that? How about that? Does it look like a good idea? Yes. And sandwich the other one right up top, and lose the 2 pins, of course. It's gonna be here. The other is gonna be right there. The other 2 holes are for the screws. Oh, we didn't clean this pivot area, which is done. There we go. And just like so. So There you go. So like this, keep the blade open, all right? And then I'm just gonna use this fella right over here. Pivot is like that. And is in. I'm not gonna use any Loctite for now. I'm just gonna do this, all right? Yeah. And I am actually, let's see these two screws. Oh, okay. Interesting. Different head size, so you can't make any mistake. I'm not using any blue Loctite, but if you want, this would be the moment you would use something like this. And here now, we're gonna just tighten up the pivot, like so, and like that. So let's do all the way. Here we go. So centered, snappy. Ooh, wow. Beautiful action. Now we are talking. What was that before? Hey, Brendan? Come on, man. This is how you maintain your knives. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.